In Islam, cats hold a special place, and they are often regarded as beloved and respected creatures. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had a great fondness for cats and treated them with care. One of the Prophet's companions was known by the name Abu Huraira, father of a kitten, in reference to his attachment to cats. Abu Huraira reported that he had heard the Prophet Muhammad declare that a pious woman went to hell after she had been annoyed by a female cat, tied her with a rope, and neglected to provide her with food and water until she died. In Islam, cats hold a special place, and they are often regarded as beloved and respected creatures. Here are some benefits of owning cats in Islam. Affection and companionship. Cats are known for their affectionate nature and can provide companionship to individuals, particularly those living alone. In Islam, it is encouraged to treat animals with kindness and mercy, and cats can fulfill the need for companionship, offering comfort and emotional support to their owners. Purity and cleanliness. Cats are considered to be naturally clean animals. In Islamic tradition, cleanliness is highly valued, and cats are seen as purifying creatures. According to a famous hadith, cats are not impure and their fur is regarded as clean. This is why they're allowed to enter homes and mosques. Pest control. Cats are natural hunters and excellent at controlling pests, particularly rodents. In many Islamic cultures, cats are appreciated for their ability to keep homes and environments free from pests such as mice and rats. This aspect of cats' behavior can contribute to a cleaner and healthier living space. Mercy and compassion. Islam emphasizes mercy and compassion towards all creatures. Cats are known for their vulnerability, and treating them with kindness and care aligns with Islamic teachings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known to have a fondness for cats and treated them with gentleness and respect, setting an example for Muslims to follow. Cats hold symbolic significance in Islamic culture. They are believed to possess qualities such as agility, grace, and keen perception. Some Muslims view cats as a reminder of the importance of being attentive and mindful, as well as being cautious and observant in one's actions. It is important to note that while cats have these benefits in Islamic culture, they are not regarded as sacred or objects of worship. Rather, they are seen as creatures deserving of care, respect, and compassion, and their treatment is considered a reflection of a person's character.